Today we are unboxing the Rabbitgoo one-way window film. It can be used for tinting the windows of your home, blocking the sun, or as a privacy film. The film is 17.5 inches by 6.5 feet. And this product has no glue to hassle with and is easy to install. It can also be removed easily without any traces left on the window. And don't forget to spray enough water to wet both the mirror film and window surface when applying. This will reduce the amount of heat transmitted through your window. It's an instant and economical way to reject direct sunlight and save you on cooling bills. And this is the packaging that it comes in, and let's see how easy it is to install. Thanks for watching.